All right, boys and girls. Last week we talked about strong and weak beat. We have a strong beat and we have a weak beat. And we went strong, weak, strong, weak, strong, weak, strong, weak. All right, and that's what we talked about. Now, if you were in my classroom, I'd give you a bag and we'd have a partner. And I would let you create strong and weak beats. So I pull out all my papers from my bag, and I have all kinds of hearts right here. All kinds of hearts. And we put them together in beats of 2 and 2. So we have strong, weak, strong, weak, strong, weak. Alright, and we lay these out. Now, we can't just lay out the hearts in a pattern because we're going to have to group them. We can't just lay hearts out, like in a row. That's just going to be too many. We can't lay them out like this. It's all grouped up. It's just a bunch of mess. We gotta do something about it. I mean, what are we gonna do? Well, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. All right, this is what we start to call meter. Everyone say meter. Meter. M-E-T-E-R. Meter. All right, now meter helps us group our beats together. Alright, it's sort of like the organizer. It's going to group our beats together. And that song Down Down Baby last week was written in 2. 2, what does that mean? 2. Well, I'll tell you what 2 means. 2 means that we had a strong beat and then a weak beat. A strong beat and a weak beat. And the whole music went strong, weak, the whole time. But I have all these hearts here. And I can't just leave them all out. Even though it's a group of 2, the meter is 2, I have to do something. We have to add what we call a bar line. A bar line. Everyone say bar line. Let me write that word down. B-A-R-L-I-N-E. A bar line. And I call the bar lines stop signs. And so I have these popsicle sticks right here. And I'm going to turn these popsicle sticks into bar lines. So, I'm going to take strong, weak, and then I'm going to add a bar line. Because that bar line stops the beats. And then on this side, I'll add another set. Like this. Right here. Alright, and that's the group of 2. That's the group of 2. Now, what I want you to do at your house is I want you to have a piece of paper. If you want to, you can try and print out the attachment I have on the Google slide. And print out the hearts and cut them up and do them yourself and take a picture of it. Or you could just draw hearts. But I want you to draw several hearts. And I want you to practice putting them in groups of 2. Okay? So I want you to have a strong beat and then a weak beat. And then I want you to find something at your house. You can have a pencil. You can use pencils. You can use pens. And I want you to put a bar line behind every two beats. So you have a strong beat, a weak beat, and then a bar line. All right? Now, I want you to do that and take a picture for me and send it to me, okay?